The purpose of this book. Starting your own rock band requires much energy, time, and commitment. The task is not going to be achievable if you give up after a couple of failures. You'll also have to try several times before you reap the results. So, get prepared. This ebook will show you the quickest, easiest, and most effective tips for starting your own rock band. We will learn the following: how to search for the band members, how to find your band members, how to choose what to play or the genre, how to choose the place for rehearsals, how to organize your place for rehearsals, how to choose instruments, sounds, and equipment, how to manage time, how to organize the rehearsals so that the band becomes one entity with a common goal. Remember, the secrets to the success of any rock band are proper organization and time management.